For today's recipe, I'm using about 2 pounds of potatoes. First, I'm going to take one potato and make several cuts across the top, like this. Make sure not to cut all the way through. The potato should stay whole. Then I'll repeat the same process with the rest of the potatoes. Now I'm placing them in a pot. Next, I'll add hot water until all the potatoes are covered. Let them cook until they're fork tender, which means soft enough to easily pierce with a fork. Once they're done cooking, drain the potatoes and set them aside. Now let's move to the skillet. I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter and a drizzle of olive oil. Once the butter melts, I'll add the potatoes to the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd the skillet. Add just enough potatoes so they can brown nicely. When one side turns golden and crispy, flip them to brown the other side. Then I'll add another tablespoon of butter. Now let's add the seasoning. 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well so the potatoes soak up all those flavors. The great thing about this recipe is that you can easily customize the seasoning. You could add garlic powder, rosemary, chili flakes, or even some grated Parmesan. And before I forget, let me know what city you're watching from in the comments. I love seeing where everyone is from. Today's shout out goes to John William Hinton from Williamsburg, Virginia. Thanks so much for watching and supporting the channel. Now I'm squeezing half a lime over the potatoes. The lime adds a fresh brightness that balances the richness of the butter and spices. Mix everything together one more time. Make sure all the potatoes get coated in those flavors. You want the butter, spices, and lemon to cover every piece. Just keep tossing them gently so everything blends together. To finish, I'll add fresh parsley. Just sprinkle it on top. And mix again. These potatoes are simple, quick to make, and packed with flavor. They're perfect for dinner, a weekend lunch, or even as a side dish for a barbecue. Let me cut one open so you can see. Look at that. So crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy.